It's here. Underdog. I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm getting into, but let's see what we got. Nice little unboxing here today. Fresh off the press. Let's see what we got here. Oh damn! So very nicely packaged. Alright, I picked up the Polo, X1 Polo. Here the Polo, pretty sweet. I like the packaging. And I picked up the medium, and a medium for the undershirts. So definitely take a look at this. You know what, honestly, man, I gotta open up the Polo first, so check this out. It's like wrapping paper, but I don't know, this seems a little better. Alright. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. There you guys can freeze it. Bam, there's the other piece there. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nice little touch. Oh wow. Earth's revenge on microplastics. That's pretty cool, man. The attention to detail is pretty remarkable. Look at that. Nice. I mean, doesn't feel like cotton, but kinda does. I happen to get the XL, so I'm gonna definitely try that out. Seems pretty nice. Let me go ahead and test it out. Let's see. We'll look into the details a little bit more, but I believe these are wooden. That's pretty cool, man. Either wood or yeah. And then the stitching is very nice. So we're good. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, see? So you guys can tell, you know, it's still, I kept it on there. Feels pretty good. I'm gonna button this last little button here. Feels good. Feels good. Fits nice. Has the nice little cut here. One thing that's pretty cool, check that out. Has the little embroidery on there. Pretty good. Yeah, fits. Hey man, fits good. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try, and definitely 2 thumbs up, man. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. Maybe take it out on a couple theme parks, but man, you know what? Underdog, hey, we'll give it a try, man, and I'll try to do a follow-up review on it. See how it feels once I'm outside. Maybe a couple of washes. And I'm gonna try a couple undershirts as well. Currently, I have a regular, just a cotton shirt underneath for right now. I'll probably test it out, especially the other shirts, see how they work out, and we'll go from there. But hey, thank you for watching. I mean, as far as product, I mean, the box is cool, the wrapping was cool, the unveiling, the little messages, you know, that the company stands for and everything like that. You guys can go ahead and freeze up. But for the most part, man, yeah, feels like a good quality shirt so far. All right. Hey, take care, everyone, and thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and ask me any questions. All right, take care, everyone.